Mm. Mm. Hello everyone. Today I choose one topic. Means just a female best friend, and only female best friend choose in the topic only just particular only one side in Nia. Nia means is name is Neha Agri, and this girls live in UP Maharashtra and then one city Anand Nagar city, and he my first female best friend. I just thinking well this girl in my best friend female best friend, and in class 11 to 12 and before and class 9 to 10 one girls, but this girls I think is my girlfriend. I in future I will marry this girl's name is Nisa Chaudhary. That region is just satisfied in outer I and but this girl is my best friend. I just thinking about why what choose in this girl is the best friend. This only many regions, but most of the like 2 and 3 regions, because these girls in mathematics some little bit know it in mathematics a little. I just solve in my problem. I mean return return in right in solve all the problem in mathematics. Just give me that time I just really like in this girls and thinking started little bit love and anything, and right now I like this girls, and this girls also think this person I like me, but not express in that things only. And second this girl is if and another time I not the anything, but first this coming in admission this college, then I just search in account in different girls, then this girls will just give me follow request, then girls will accept me. That time in my Insta ID in Sadhna Verma just ask me why you are studying in Sadhna Verma. Just logging my in the same in the sister ID. That region is a name the name is a mention is in Sadhna Verma, and that time just that most of the time that time is deliver mostly in my college. What is a college hostel college like everything in a personal, but I just like and if just this girls in message that time in my all the pressure everything is very high, because I like this words. I like this words. That reason maybe I think I not live this words. If I ask any question without this world, if this world is really in upset, then I maybe my maybe in maybe upset that type of that type of thought and things about me and this that's that, and the little bit share with this was in the same similar in ninth class name is Neha Guru, and another people just like me, like I like not like this girls and anything, because I like in this no so sorry I like in Nisa, but not in this girls also thinking कि this person like in Nisa, not like me Neha. But after 12 I mostly thinking कि this is suitable for me. This girls Nisa is not for me. This girls is me because I like this girl. That time I like because same everything I recall in my mind. Everything I recall in my mind. कि what asked me and what she asked me, but only English, only mostly English coaching. But in 12 distance this is shifted in English coaching. That reason maybe I in my image some imaging positive for me, because chemistry is done, full marks chemistry done, and physics also done very well done, and second is the mathematics also done. It's a very positive, everything is positive for me, positive for me. And in last exam, just recall in last paper, that in my paper in Lal Bahadur Shastri just I come and this girl see this maybe English subject in I don't know which subject in that time last in Rakesh because Rakesh did not love me. Rakesh just like it's similar, but I love it this to see. That reason I not expressed in that time. Because he also asking me, but I not expressing my feeling and everything because that time also I like. But and after preparing JEE, I not like anything, any words, and just Rakesh is also just laughing.